Hello and welcome to myownhelpdesk.com. Today I'm going to show you some interesting little tips on using Microsoft's Internet Explorer so that you can browse internet websites. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open up Internet Explorer, and you can do that under your Start Programs menu, or if you have a shortcut to it, you can get to it that way. I'm just going to resize, make sure it fits okay in the view. Okay, I've got Internet Explorer open, and it opens up into my current default homepage, which is google.com. So if you're not familiar with Internet Explorer, this is what it looks like, or what it could look like on your computer. It might be a little different of what you're seeing based on which version of Internet Explorer you have. There's various versions out there, and some still old, perhaps version 4 or 5. Some of the later ones are version 7 and 8. And in this version that I have, it's called tab browsing. So towards the top here we have a tab, it's called, and I can browse whatever websites I want to. If I want to keep this page here and say I want to see a different one, I could just, instead of typing a different one in the website address, I could just go here and create a new tab like that. So now I've got another tab, and so that's a nice way to keep different websites open that you would like to have open, and just switch between your tabs. And to close it, just click on the X. And so here I can go ahead and, I can look at, if I just want to stay on Google, I can go ahead and click on news, and so it'll load up the latest news, and I just can scroll down. If I want to click on something here, and just go ahead and click on it, it's underlined, and that'll bring me to whatever website that is. This one here is CNN, and I just scroll down to read it, so on and so forth. Alright, I'm just going to go back to my home, click on the home button, and I'm back to my home page, default home page. So there's, like any other Windows application, there's various things you can do, and here's the menu bar, and I have a file, a lot of different things I can do. Create a new tab, I can duplicate the current tab, I can create a new window, so it opens up a new browser window, and I can do a lot of different things. I can save the current browser session, or the website, I can save it. I can print, I can send the current web page by email, send it to email, that kind of thing. And here I've got edit, cut, copy, paste. Here I can view, I get different toolbars, different Explorer bars. I can zoom, make the text size larger, smaller, that kind of thing. Favorites, this is all my favorites. So when I'm browsing websites, if I like one, I can just say, okay, add to favorites, give it a name, and then create it in whichever folder you want. You can create a new folder if you'd like. So that's how you do your favorites. You can organize your favorites here, or you can go down to whatever favorites you have. And then tools, a lot of different things here. You can block your pop-ups, like some advertisements that can pop up. You can kind of manage that there. Various different things. In Internet Options, you can set up your home page, so when Internet Explorer starts, you can have it say whatever you want for your home page. If you want to delete all your history when you exit, you just check that. Internet Explorer keeps a track of websites you've been on, and a lot of different things. Search, tabs, your appearance, Then there's a whole bunch of different tabs. Probably too much to go into right now, but change your security, how you want to do your security when you're browsing, your privacy. You can also go into the help to learn more about all these things. Okay, and so there's your help. Okay, so if you want to get to a different website, one way to do it if you don't have a favorites set up is to just go up to the address bar here and just type in, you can just type something like www.cnn.com, for example, and hit enter, and it should load a web page. If you want to refresh your web page, you click on these green arrows or press your F5 key. If you want to stop a page from loading, press the red X. And if you want to search, in my case, I can just go in this box here and type whatever I want, and then hit enter, and it'll go ahead and search for that. So, but anyways, if I go back to my home, and Google is one of the search engines, so here I can search for whatever I would like to. So, type cookies or something, and it'll give me a whole bunch of different things around cookies. So that's the basics of how to use Internet Explorer for browsing around on the internet. So I hope you enjoyed this, and feel free to come back to myownhelpdesk.com for additional helpful videos.